day 2, Brazos River, baby. Caught a lot of fish yesterday. Hopefully we'll do the same today. Conditions look awesome, except for a little bit of wind, but it's all right. Nothing we can't handle. So yeah, without further ado, let's get it. Something out there looking for a little snack, cause I got it. There we go, danglers. Ooh, it feels like a good one. Ain't seen them. What is it? What do we got? A catfish? Oh no! We got a big mama. Get the net, boy. Get the net. Biggest fish of the trip. Come on. Oh yeah. 3 for sure. There we go. $2.95. There's one, little guy. Nice little guy. Ooh, look like Gar got him. Look at that. Gar tried to eat him for lunch. Ouchie, but he's still out there trying to get him some lunch.
You got scale?
Yeah.
Might be 6. Got him. 5.
4, 4.9, 4.5.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, let's zero it back out. Let's see. Where's 0? Yep, 4.91. It's still.
He felt a little heavier.
Oh yeah. Lunchtime.
Keep going for it. You're gonna have to get closer than you think.
Yeah, you're good. I'll get it. I think so. Yep, I sure do. I caught 2! Damn it. There we go. 2 fish with 1 hook.
Oh, there you go. You got one. Reel it in.
Dude, it's money spot. They're a little bitty, but still fun to catch them. This is ridiculous. One after another. Oh, we got a. There's another one, Dangler. Quick release. This is crazy.
Could be. Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Boom! I was starting to think we might have caught them all, but no. They're all carbon copies, though. Oh, they're still in there. Ah. Looking for a tasty little morsel. Yep.
Got his ass. Right off the back.
You betcha, Danglers. You betcha. The Dangler strikes again. This one's a little bigger.
See if he's got a hole in his lip.
Don't give me that.
See if he's got a hole in his lip.
No, I don't see a hole.
No?
No, he's fresh. Other than the one I'm about to leave. No hole. No. Why'd you lose one?
No.
Or you caught one same damn size? Carbon copy?
I pulled 3 out of here.
There's
They
shit.
stopped biting this thing. I think they're hip to it now.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. No. Got him that time. Oh, son of a gun. That was not the same fish. There we go. Little guy. Maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Not as good as that other one, but that one was a reaction. Not on the fall. I was just drifting. Came up and tagged it. Another good little bass. Oh. Another quality fish from the bow guard. Nice.
Oh, he's heavy.
Yeah, it's short, fat guy. Hell yeah. You betcha. Good little fish. There we go. There's a good one, Dangler. Good little spotted bass. There's one. He's just a little guy. Hit it on the fall though. Uh-oh. Oh, was this a little white bass? Yep. New species.
Grand Slammer, you get a striper.
Yeah, I still ain't got no striper. If you made it this far, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on the next dangle. We put in 9.5 miles on day 2, and per usual, we made it to camp just before dark. We settled on a gravel island about 3 miles from our takeout at the Highway 4 bridge. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on day 3.